Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Android TV not starting and the smartest way to solve this problem. Number 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and try turning it on using the remote or the TV's power button. Number 2. Soft reset via remote. If the TV is responsive, press and hold the power button on the remote until the TV restarts or a menu appears. Select Restart if prompted. Number 3. Force factory reset unresponsive TVs. For TVs with 3 buttons, power volume down and another, unplug the TV, press and hold the power and volume down buttons on the TV, then plug the TV back in while holding the buttons. Release them when a green LED appears. The TV will reset and restart. Number 4. Check remote control. Ensure the remote has working batteries. If unresponsive, remove the batteries, press all buttons to discharge residual power, reinsert or replace the batteries and try again. Thanks for watching.